Hello and welcome student to week 13. This could be the last week for the presentation and lecture. So that we start with the one that we left last week, this executive summary page, and we continue this week with more, we will create more page like product detail page. That's gonna tell about the product performance. So before I move on to create a new page, I want to show you one visualization that is very useful. So for the total order by category, if you click here and you choose, I'm gonna show you the tree map. Let me find it. Tree map. Okay, yeah. Okay, when I click tree map, it changed to the relative size, so I can see what category is the highest, right, in terms of total order. Okay, so this is maybe it's better visualizations because it's compare the size for you. So in this case, you can change to tree map. Maybe it gives you better visualization and understanding. So if you click to lower level, this one, it's gonna go to the subcategory in terms of comparisons. Okay, so you can show relative size. So this is the highest, 4,500 something, right? If you look at total order. So and this one 2,000 something. This is also 2,000 something. It's quite useful for tree maps. If you want to get back into the default, you can click here. You can go back and see what category is the highest in terms of total order. So this is very useful. And the next thing I want to do is to, okay, actually I already create the page. Okay, if you don't have, you just, I want to delete first, and then if I want to start like no page, I just click this to create a new page, and the name is product detail. Okay, rename page as product detail. Okay, I have the new page, and also I want to copy the logo. This logo. Okay, by using Control C and Control V, you can copy the logo. And the next one, I want to create the line chart. So we're gonna see line chart here, and then I will put the total profit. Okay, from the sales data, I will take total profit to the value. Okay, so it shows just one dot, right, and show the total profit. I have to define the x-axis, which is here. So I have to go to calendar, look up, because I want to show a weekly profit. So I take the start of week and I put axis here. Okay, and then I want to have start a week. So this is gonna be, and I change the title to weekly profit. Okay, I have weekly profit. Make it bigger. Okay, that is and also I want to show weekly return. I want to, you can do Control C and Control V as well. Copy this one and create another one. Okay, so this one I will change from the total profit. I will take total return instead of total profit. Take the total profit out. Okay, so this is total return so it's gonna be weekly return as us. So I have to change the title to weekly return. Okay, actually this one, if I change, I can, because because return is not good, right? So we should change the color to red color, right? And then if we change weekly return, what will you see? You see something like if I put the area chart, you're gonna see the area, okay, to tell the return for each week. So that is weekly profit and weekly return. So for this kind of chart, you can use like stacked area chart. If you use stacked area chart, you can put the category name, right? We choose put the legend category name. You will see that this is gonna be stacked together. You can see that's gonna be more meaningful about each category. It's gonna tell you what category return the most, right? So that is how we create time series data. So that means x-axis is gonna be time, right? Okay, now what I'm gonna do about weekly profit, I'm gonna show you about this tab, analytic tab, because we didn't talk much about this, but now it's time to learn how to do it. So if I click analytic, and I can add the trend line. Okay, you can see it's plot the trend line for me, and I can change the color of the trend line. Okay, and I can adjust the transparency of the trend line, make it like softer, something like that. And I can choose the solid line, dashed line, or dotted line. Okay, so that is about the trend line. So if you don't like to adjust anything, you want to get back into the default, you can click revert to default. So it gets back to this one. Okay, the next one is constant line. Constant line is gonna plot, for example, the line that show the value. In this case, if I type like it's gonna plot 100,000 for me. Okay, so that is constant line. Okay, and also I don't want it, just show you how to do it. And also min line is gonna plot the minimum line. Okay, it's gonna look at the minimum profit, and it's gonna plot that line. And what else? So the min line, and constant line too. And you can have max line as well. It's gonna show you the maximum line. Okay. Okay, I want trend line, but I don't want maximum line. So I take it out. You can add average, medium, or percentile line. And also another one that I want to show you here is forecast. So if you click forecast and you add it, you can forecast your profit in advance. So in this case, if I choose this, I choose forecast to 10 points, that means 10 weeks in advance. So I can forecast 10 years from now. And so what will I see? If I forecast 10 years from now, it's gonna be something like this. So it doesn't make sense, right? So it's better to forecast very, very close, like 10 weeks or 5 weeks. So in this case, I want to, because the last data point is like drop, and I want to ignore the last one because it's become the noise. I want to ignore the last data point, so the last data point I want to ignore. And I want to keep 95 confidence interval. I apply it. Okay, I will get So I ignore this one, right? So I will get the like 5-week forecast or 10-week forecast. Okay, you can play around with this and you can have the forecast with the, and you know the upper bound or lower bound represent 95% confidence interval. That means you will be confident about 95% that the highest profit is gonna be between this band. Okay, so that is the meaning of confidence interval. Okay, so that is for the first video, and we get back for the second video. Stay tuned. See you. Bye bye.